Once a new list has been created under All Lists, click on the list you wish to add subscribers to. Click on the Add Subscriber button. In the New Subscriber window, type in the details of the new subscriber. Under List, select the list you wish to add the subscriber to. Then click Save. The new subscriber will then be added to the Subscribers window. To import bulk contacts from a CSV contact list, click on the Add Subscriber button. In the New Subscriber window, click on Import. Select the list you wish to add the subscribers to, and then click Import. Accept the terms and conditions, and then click Import Now. You will then be able to select the CSV file from your device, and all the contacts will be added as subscribers. Click the link below the video to learn how to create a CSV file of contacts in Microsoft Excel.